Today, we're making the best zucchini bread you've ever had. It's perfect for breakfast or even a midnight snack. Here's all the ingredients you need. Everything will be in the description below, with the measurements included. Start by preparing your zucchini. I washed mine and then cut the ends off. Now get yourself a grater and use the large holes on the back side and grate 2 cups. Get a mixing bowl and measure out 3 cups of flour. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. In another mixing bowl, add 2 1/4 cups of white sugar, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 3 eggs. You'll then mix all your wet ingredients together, and then add all your dry ingredients. Take it back to the mixer and blend until combined. It'll look like it's way too thick, but don't worry. We're going to add in the 2 cups of zucchini, and then start blending again. Then add a small splash of milk. I don't have any measurements for it, and it'll become the perfect consistency. Now we prepare our chocolate chips. I've never done this, but I heard online that coating your chocolate chips in flour helps keep them from sinking to the bottom, and I think it worked pretty good. Then I sprinkled in about 1/2 cup of chocolate chips into the mixture, and then gave it a quick mix. Now get a baking pan like mine and coat it in vegetable oil. Now pour the zucchini bread mixture in. You don't want to go much above halfway on the pan, just to make sure it doesn't rise over the top. Do the same in a second pan. And I threw a couple more chocolate chips on top, because why not? Now put it into the oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 60 minutes. Once it's done, poke a toothpick into the center, and if it comes out clean, like the left side of my toothpick, it's ready to go. I used the same toothpick halfway through cooking, so the right side's still a little messy. Now let it cool in the pan for about 30 minutes, and then you're good to take it out, cut into it, and start eating. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and leave a like. I'll see you next time. Thank you guys for watching.